It's Dr. Toker. It is all week, all tomatoes. Seems like an odd topic for me. I don't know why it hit me, but it's going to be that time where we're starting to talk about planting things, at least in Texas. So what are the health benefits, particularly of a tomato? The first most important is that it's got some vitamin C in it. So it's a fruit. It's very citrusy. It's very acidic. So there's vitamin C in it. There is going to be some fiber in that, and soluble fiber at that. It's a rather hydrating fruit, so you got that going for it. Now, it's a little acidic, but that can help upper intestinal digestion. So it's got that going for it. Some people are very sensitive, however, to the acidity, and it can upset their stomach. So there's a con right there. There is a particular substance in tomatoes called lycopene. Now, lycopene is a substance a molecule that is an amazing anti-inflammatory. And so one of the reasons it can actually soothe the intestinal tract is because of this anti-inflammatory nature. It's also very good for the skin. So if you go to nations where they love their tomatoes, like my friends in Italy, and I do love Italy, and I love Italian cuisine, they do a lot of tomatoes, especially down there in Sicily. Pristine skin, Mediterranean skin. Why? Lycopene is part of it. Interestingly, lycopene is an oil-soluble substance, which means if you cook your tomatoes in olive oil, you will increase your availability of lycopene. And so if you eat a raw tomato, you may not be able to extract as much of that substance as if you sauteed it with some olive oil. So now you're starting to understand why people with olive trees and tomatoes might have particularly lovely complexion. I mean, some of it's genetic, obviously. But some of it's going to be their food, and some of that food's going to be tomato and olive oil.